platform be as inciting Ghanaian youth. Tell them how to make what? Tell Ghanaian youth how to make what? Because Mumu Yajuma Bia, Abrambo Mashe, Unyajuma, Unyajuma Bia or Ghana, or Katachafi for your second radio station, Unyajuma Bia. So it's money more right to be somewhere inciting Ghanaian youth against a certain president and the government, no. Ghana is working, Nayamoya, Muntubuashi. Fact never Yajuma, said be I'm see a tomb right, but and it's about someone was war, political zone, mobile from fact. When we pick you, we will give you your site. You're about to sumo, you're no more, and crash for. Let Ghana work, no more youth now, moon inside your mono. Nagana knew Obiadia. Obiano between you for 8 years, that's all Ghana. But this man, Nana Kufuado, is doing his utmost best. The best president ever. Ah, Yenya.
Nane, answer now, over to us. Now, who say a Jimmy Fonda Bakwa Betro say, I said, Nana, do I have planting for food and job? Where is it? Mama, away my main answer no. Out of planting for food and Debbie. Call our Jimmy Nino. Barebone, you said Nana do. Now let me show you. Go to your Google. Mahmoud Barebone, go to your Google right now. I'm helping you so you can help your shallow-minded followers and your stupid friends who don't know that planting for food and jobs is employing and it's working. Do you know why we have not just imported rice and those things, for since 2018? 2018, no maize, ebro, yenkrebi Ghana. No ebro has been brought to Ghana. If you are not aware, take your Google. Barebone, shallow-minded, go there and then write this there. Write planting for food and jobs, Ghana. Planting for food and jobs, Ghana. Whatever you find there, go and share with your people. And no, Nana. What
was that? Say, Uhiti now can fact NDC for now. Nobody will be distracted. Yeah, that is what they are. Nana, don't stand here. Must a Greek minister. Enya Jumabia, I'm a multimedia. Eddie Papa, a reportage force. Yes, to Africa. A man who said he is the best. He's number one minister. Number one minister.
The whole Africa.
You make people unpopular. I can't be promoted. For now, say when we be doing quite some Eddie president, no meaning for them there. Other than the can be an democracy. If these people have the effrontery to insult anybody anyhow, because they are for the youth, they are for almost thing. They are for almost these people are just for their stomach. Multimedia go a Greek minister. Papa Nyaminsha Wati. Me say what they were come mufa, no one mufa ye bibia. Insu so na yenkunimdie. Insu so na yenkunimdie. My mother say mbetwati every effort be abama Ghana enyi, but mupoa. And makwa kwasem kwasiafo bi ni mochi. People who has nothing, only vision bia o mabrabo mu. They want to what my dear Felix. What I've seen is these people calling for fix the country the mono. And yet, pay masters ne pushi omo. Yes. But at the end of the day, because people have now realized somebody came out boldly, one of the leaders. So share London, no who says because Mose Ghana London for crowd who said London what Ghana but you tell London who said the impact Nanado is making in Ghana no worldwide. Look at Rose. From 2020, look at roads. Who has made roads in Ghana more than another than go forward? Nobody. They don't need to. Nobody. Just take your laptop and Google. Who has made more roads? Who has made more roads than another than go forward?
Nobody. Including Rollins. Nobody. Fourth Republican. I didn't understand Fourth Republican dispensation. OBMBA, Panya, and Kufuadu knew where it is there, a fact.
Now, what my dear? Sikana, young fan court to Uncle Dubai, and fan to talk down Trasacono, and now what I know. Let me tell you, it's on record, and Captain Smart, me do you know, me do you. They say Captain Smart went out for money when you know, no, so my NPP are unpopular.
Yes.
I have the fact, Captain Smart. Me say, I have the fact. Captain Smart went in for money. NPN for beka point blank say sikana uji wa NDC for no NPP for so muntia enunti na wo ye dede no. It's my source of information. NPN was me boa me show video ndi atrɛ no. They told you say Captain Smart sikana uji wa NDC for no NPP for mo ma enunti na wo ye dede no. This is the guy people are following. This is the man people think say o kan okre. Commander Sugar Factory na wahi.
Wahi.
Wo mu so myopic mind Commander Sugar Factory na wahi. $35 million went to waste. $35 million.
Nane, unim say, their area was our project, no say. Unim say, the chief of commander at that time, no. That's what because so I am perfect, you know. Oh,
say, what say, una miu.
But unim say, Nane, and then I'm in what I say. Unim say the youth of commander say, I'm going to demonstration for commander.
They have to. This is the demonstration people must sponsor. Demonstration and then the previous and then no credit demonstration a year nipa born in your Jimmy Bano. People must rise up and walk.
Who will be sorry near to collection? Now, see, any side, I Ghana for Musa into my mission. Oh, call ya wouldn't preaching. Now preaching, now I have blocked preaching in tea. One to me and hold you. And now, they also say they also some. Now, oh, Beccasano, now we are free say, Jimmy, Bible now will say, Nipan and Troy and the Bible, you are Troy and Omutrogu stones so. If you have not studied the history of Bible, but who book I will say your common sense, no, it has not been in circulation for even 20 years. A book that is over 1,000 years old. Quran, which is over 1,000 years old. You are telling me, say, I should throw Quran away. I should throw Quran away. Me to Quran and Quene. Now me do kwasiam penny way I win any track record. I been before Moshe. Win any track record. Where is your track record? Okay, take Jeffrey. Where is your track record? Oh, me na me general manager of Haneha. Me buy ya no. Na omusika sem will say. Me buy ya me peda ko say. Eti me kase muntie. Ghana is cheap. Ghana is cheap. And no about you when they come upon a Jimmy for man. I could go say Chenku. Not Jimmy for man. I could go say Chenku. No, where's the pound? Hey, Brown idiot. Don't know about Jimmy Crown and Mr. Pound. Quasia or the use who views and the Akojisica. The same way, Kwame Asari, plus Jimmy, Abba S. Glacier, Kwame didn't say the same. I feel one Muslim Musiadian. Kwame plus by no, one make S. Glacier. Kwame plus or TTP or Sidentia or say, na Radina Coupon. Me pacho, per the Constitution. I first moment intro me answer. Or Kateche Frifa, Avram Ben Moshe. Captain Kwasia Kwejo Kwasiam Penny Smart per the Constitution. Does the parliamentarians go for pension? Obi MP or pension? What to be that? What to say a pension package for anybody who went to parliament? What to be that? Mama yanka. Mo who say Obi akwa parliament me yaman pension mo kan tell me. Parliamentarians do not fucking go on pension. That is why, per Article 71, they fell under the presidential emolument scale. It's almost the S. Gracia. Because you the MP, then and cancel when you pension, they are called per the Constitution. No, it is never done that way. And stupid fools, you guys know. Obi a chief executive for board, Obi a worker for board, Obi a nurse, Obi a teacher, Obi a one or call pension. When the pension time comes, Obu will be MP one time, on DBO. Obu will be 4 years, and no more constitution. No, all my junior fan say, since there are more MP for no, yet the pension scheme for you, it is better we give you what is called S. Gracia. But on himself, so back, no better than say S. Gracia and Penifone this guy, and Penifone this guy, who got any want you will no be jetty. Sakwa siampa for we ya omugo mesuru yisia omanimu dwofu teja Jimmy for we no we no sorry ya celebrities. What have you done that you should be celebrated? Obi Badia Bako Kateche Free Felidi Ghana said he led the Ghanaian youth for a demonstration to Parliament. He led the Ghanaian youth for a demonstration towards this to Utie, Alvan stupid Bermoshe. If you are a man, take care of your stupid kids with your own hard work money. The way I'm Crawford, a quite human 9 to 5, a pesky cadicha yemano. We are bear marshal massa. Utwewa will make rough, tan, and a pesca dia show me that CNT. What for Ghana for Jimmy for Nibia, Yajin Yajumaho, and I would that Diana would the Jiska. Now, would they just our man, our woman, what Takano, and a Ghana need Chaho, and what brand or the Najuna Brew. My first thing to you is number one, it is only fools who think you have common sense. What you say? The other day you on your foolish page talking about and Uncle Weber, Nanka with the crime we are Manamanaye, Nanka Weber, Nanka with the crime we are Manawe. What's here? Your social media and the ideas are there. You fucking live in Ghana. You know where the Parliament of Ghana is. Those proposals now, the best place you could have channeled it to was the fucking Parliament. Stupid dumb fool. But because you don't know and your followers are shallow and mediocre, you would always lie to them. So we'll say, acquire what Ghana, Nanka buying way back because that is the thing you always trick them with. That is what you always trick them with. Say, and I buy no, you say ya, and I buy no, you say ya. Motherfucker, what stops you from sending it to Parliament? What stops you? You are a citizen of Ghana, I believe. So person is saying Jimmy. Now what Jimmy now say? Per the fucking constitution now, before party now to get something like that change, it's supposed to go through Parliament. You didn't know that, Meboa. But to many Jimmy phobia said yes, now problem down phobia, ever do a chintino over 1K of say you have followers. You are a fool. Kwasia no sing a mini ho. Kwasia and no sing a mini ho. No more we do it, you know. Only a critical thinkers are on. Me don't know me sankao. Come be some critical questions. Aven Jimmy Moshe, me say on Crawford, sankomu onyansa, omo mutie unomu onyansa, and come be some certain critical questions. So ni mientia. Who say